Hello, let's take this question. We're asked to give two equivalent fraction of 2 over 3. To get equivalent fraction, we have 2 over 3. We're asked to give two equivalent fraction of this. To get equivalent fraction, all we need to do is multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Now we have 2 over 3. So we could decide to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, that is times 2 times 2. Here we have 4 over 6. 4 over 6 is an equivalent fraction to 2 over 3. We are asked to list 2 or to give 2. Then what we have again here, we could also decide to multiply by the same number, 4 over 6 times. We can also still multiply by 2 or choose any other number. I'm still going to make use of 2 here. We have 2 times 2. Then we are going to have 4 times 2 give us 8. 8. 6 times 2, 12. So the equivalent fraction we have 2 over 3 is equals to 4 over 6 equals 8 over 12. So we have given two equivalent fraction of 2 over 3, which are 4 over 6, 8 over 12. Surely, Kole. Try this. Give two equivalent fraction of 3 over 5.